Welcome. In front of me is an LG Q6, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. For me, I'm just going to be using this home screen right here. So once it's open and visible on the screen, hold power key and volume down. You'll get this animation along with the sound, and your screenshot has been now captured. Now you also get a notification that you have captured a screenshot, and that screenshot can be found in your photo gallery. So once I open it up, there it is, screenshots. This is an album, and inside of that album you will find your screenshot, as you can see right here. And that is how you'd capture it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.